Marconicia belongs to Bryophyta. Here it is the Marconicia classification. Division Bryophyta, class Hepaticopsida, order Marconiales, family Marconiaceae, genus Marconicia, and species Polymorpha. It is the classification of Bryophyta, classification of Marconicia. See, here it is the explanation of this division. Bryophyta, first amphibian plants. They are developed on the soil surface with moisture condition. It divided into classes. In that, one of the class is Hepaticopsida. The Hepaticopsida bryophytes are look like liver-like structures. It contains lobes. Human beings liver-like structures. The human body liver contains lobes. That similar lobes present in the Hepaticopsida bryophytes. So here it is Marconicia also shows lobes-like structures. These are the true Marconicia plants. These are the lobes. The lobes similar to the human liver-like structures. So human liver-like structures of thallus present in the Bryophyta, that class belongs to Hepaticopsida. These are the true Marconicia plants with archegoniospore or antheridiopore. See, here it is the Marconicia gemma cups. These are the true Marconicia gemma cups. And we discussed here it is Marconicia thallus structure. Marconicia thallus with external characters. The Marconicia gametophytic thallus shows dioecious condition. Dioecious condition means male gametophytic thallus, female gametophytic thallus are individual. They are independent. They are prepared food material by the photosynthesis. Male sexual organs are developed on the male gametophytic thallus. Female sexual organs are developed on the female gametophytic thallus. The thallus shows dorsiventral structure. Dorsiventral means dorsal side is called upper part of the gametophytic thallus. The dorsal side completely green in color. It participated in the photosynthesis to prepare food material. On this dorsal side, midrib is present. The midrib always divided into two arms, two branches. This division is called bichasial or bipodial branching system. On this midrib, cup-like structures are present. The cup-like structures are called gemma cups. These are the vegetative reproductive parts. On this thallus, dorsal side, aerial stalk-like structures are developed. The aerial stalk-like structures are called pores. On the male gametophytic thallus, pore-like structures are called antheridiopores. On the female gametophytic thallus, pore-like structures are called archegoniospores. Lower part of these gametophytic thallus, rhizoids are present, including scales also present. The rhizoids are mainly helps in fixing of the gametophytic thallus on the soil surface. At the same time, they are helps in absorption of water, minerals from the soil surface. It is the Marconicia gametophytic thallus external structure. Now we discussed here it is Marconicia thallus TS transverse section or Marconicia thallus internal structure. It is Marconicia thallus LS longitudinal section shows mainly three portions. One is epidermis, second one is photosynthetic region, third one is storage region. Epidermis, it gives a perfect shape to the gametophytic thallus. It divided into two types. One is upper epidermis and lower epidermis. Upper epidermis present at the dorsal side of the gametophytic thallus. On this upper epidermis, pore-like structures are present. That pore-like structures are called air pores. These are mainly helps in exchange of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. The lower epidermis contains hair-like structure they called rhizoids. Including rhizoid scales also present. These are helps in fixing of the gametophytic thallus on the soil surface. At the same time, they are helps in absorption of mineral water from the soil. Below the upper epidermis, green color chambers are present. The green color chambers region is called photosynthetic region. In that photosynthetic region, chambers are present. The chambers are called air chambers. In each air chambers, green color pigments are present. Green color branched pigments are present. That green color branched pigments are called photosynthetic filaments. They are mainly helps in preparation of food by the photosynthesis. And the third important part of the gametophytic thallus, it is storage region. It present below the photosynthetic region. It made with parenchyma tissues. The parenchyma tissues are irregularly in structure. They maintain without intercellular spaces. They are compactly arranged. All cells are filled with starch. In this storage region, some cells are filled with mucilage cells. It is the internal structure of Marchantia gametophytic thallus. Now we discussed here reproduction of the Marchantia. Marchantia reproduction mainly helps in the increase of the next generation of Marchantia gametophytic thallus. The reproduction of Marchantia mainly three types. They are vegetative reproduction, second one is sexual reproduction, third one is asexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction, sexual reproduction occurs on the gametophytic thallus. Asexual reproduction occurs on the sporophytic thallus. Now we discussed here it is vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction of Marchantia done by two methods. One is fragmentation, second one is gemmas. Fragmentation means if any physical or mechanical activities, the gametophytic thallus cut into fragments. Each fragment develop into new gametophytic thallus. And next vegetative reproduction is by gemmas. On gametophytic thallus, on the midrib, cup-like structures are developed. The cup-like structures are called gemma cups. Matured gemma cups dorsal side or peripheral region made with photosynthetic zones. So gemma cups also participated in the photosynthesis to prepare food material. And at center region of gemma cup, dumbbell shaped structures are developed. The dumbbell shaped structures are called gemma or gemmae. Each gemma contains one multicellular stalk-like structure. Above the multicellular stalk-like structure, dumbbell-shaped gemma body is present. At middle portion of dumbbell-shaped notches-like structures are present. On these dumbbell-shaped structures, photosynthetic cells, oil cells, rhizoidal cells are present. It is the matured gemma. If matured gemmas are present in the gemma cups, these are in isobilateral structure. Isobilateral means two sides are in equal condition. If the gemmas are leave from the gemma cups, they are turned into dorsiventral structure. At matured stage of these gemmas, gemma cups are filled with water. The water is came from the rain. If the gemma cups are filled with rain water, the gemmas are looses from the stalk. And the gemmas are moved by the rain water, and that isobilateral gemmas are turned into dorsiventral. Then dorsiventral gemmas are occupied one soil space. On this soil space or in the soil pot, rhizoidal cells are developed into rhizoids from the lower part of the gemma. At the same time, dorsal region green color pigment particles, they are called photosynthetic cells. The photosynthetic cells are prepared food material. To receive food. By the receiving of food minerals, each gemma participated in the division. From one gemma, two gametophytic thallus are developed. If these gemmas are developed from the male gametophytic thallus, they develop into male gametophytic thallus only. If the gemmas are developed from the female gametophytic thallus, the gemmas are developed into female gametophytic thallus only. It is the vegetative reproduction of Marchantia. And the sexual reproduction occurs on the gametophytic thallus. The gametophytic thallus is the dioecious condition. The dioecious condition gametophytic thallus shows male sexual organs on the male gametophytic thallus, female sexual organs on the female gametophytic thallus. Now we discussed here it is the male reproduction of Marchantia. Male reproductive of Marchantia occurs on the male gametophytic thallus. It is the male gametophytic thallus. On the dorsal region of the male gametophytic thallus, at matured condition, aerial stalk-like structures are developed. The aerial stalk-like structures are called antheridiopores. On this antheridiopore, disc-like structures are developed. On this each disc, 8 ridges, 8 furrows are present. In furrows region, chambers-like structures are developed. The chambers-like structures are called antheridial chambers or antheridium chamber. Above this antheridial chamber, photosynthetic zones are present. In each antheridium chamber, only single antheridium is developed. It is in club-shaped. It contains one multicellular stalk-like structure. Above the stalk-like structure, antheridial body is present. The antheridial body is protected with jacket layer. Below this antheridial jacket layer, rectangular or square-shaped cells are present. They are called androcyte mother cells. Each androcyte mother cell contains one haploid nucleus. They act as a androcyte mother cells. The androcyte mother cells are participated in the diagonal division. They develop into 2 male gametes. The male gametes are spiral in structure. They contain one haploid nucleus and 2 equal flagella. All androcyte mother cells are participated in the diagonal division. They develop into more number of male gametes. That male gametes are pressure on the jacket layer of antheridium. The jacket layer is broken. The male gametes are comes out from the antheridium. They are enter into the antheridial chamber. At the same time, the chamber is filled with rainwater. Here it is, the male gametes are in motile condition because they have flagellas. If the chambers are filled with rainwater, antheridiums are in motile condition. They are freely swim in rainwater to reach archegonium for the fertilization. It is the male reproduction of Marconicia. Now, female reproduction of Marconicia and the female gametophytic thallus. At the matured stage, aerial stalk-like structures are developed. The aerial stalk-like structures are called archegoniospores. On these archegoniospores, disc-like structures are developed. Each disc contains 8 ridges and 8 furrows. On the ridges region, more number of archegoniums are present. Archegoniums are the female reproductive organs. Antheridiums are the male reproductive organs. On the archegoniospore, on the ridges of disc, more number of archegoniums are developed. Each matured archegonium containing 2 major parts. One is venter, second one is neck. Venter is a enlarged part. It present on the multicellular stalk-like structure. The venter covered with a single layer of jacket cells. Below the jacket layer of venter, 2 unequal cells are present. One is small in size, one is large in size. Small one is called venter canal cell. Large one is called egg cell. Above the venter, tube-like structure is present called neck. It composed with or it made with 3 types of cells. One is neck cover cells, neck canal cells, neck cells. Neck is made with neck cells at peripheral region and canal filled with the special type of tissues called canal cells, neck canal cells. Here it is 6 to 8 neck cells, 6 to 8 neck canal cells are present in the formation of neck. Above the neck, 4 to 6 cover cells are present. At matured stage of archegonium, venter canal cell, neck canal cells are degenerated. They produce mucilase chemical substance. The mucilase chemical substance is pressure on the cover cells. By this pressure, cover cells are broken. The chemical substance is comes out from the archegonium. On this archegonial terminal part, chemical substance is present. The chemical substance is mainly helps in attraction of male gametes. Attraction of male gametes. Male gametes are easily attracted by the chemicals and enter into the neck, reach to the venter, fuse with egg cell with nucleus to form diploid zygote. This type of fertilizations are called chemotoxic fertilization. Chemotoxic fertilization means male gametes are attracted by the chemicals for the fertilization. So this type of fertilizations are called chemotoxic fertilizations. After fertilization, diploid zygote is formed in the venter of archegonium. The diploid zygote develop into diploid sporophyte. The diploid sporophyte participated in the asexual reproduction at the matured stage. Now we discussed here it is asexual reproduction of Marconicia. After fertilization, After fusion of male and female gametes, diploid zygote is formed in the each archegonium. After fertilization, disc center region cells are participated in the rapid divisions. They develop into numerous cells at the center portion of disc. So finally, the development of these tissues, the dorsal region archegoniums are easily turned into downside. They are protected with one thin layer, pericytium or perigonium or calyptra. These layer is the protective tissues. Below these protective layer, more number of archegoniums are present. In each archegonium, only single cell is present after fertilization is called a zygote. The diploid zygote participated in the mitotic divisions. They develop into diploid portion, diploid part of Marchantia. The diploid part of Marchantia is called diploid sporophyte. The matured diploid sporophyte contains three major portions. One is food, seta, and capsule. Food is a multicellular structure. It present in the venter of archegonium. It mainly helps in collecting of food material, minerals, water from the female gametophytic thallus. That absorbed food material minerals pass to seta. The seta is a stalk-like structure. It present between the food and capsule. The seta passed food material minerals to capsule. Capsule is a enlarged portion. It covered with or it protected with a single layer of Jacquet cells. Below the Jacquet layer at the minor stage or primitive stage, more number of diploid cells are present. The diploid cells are called spore mother cells. All spore mother cells are participated in the reduction division or in the meiotic division to form haploid spores. During this reduction division, some spore mother cells are developed into elaters. The elaters are in spirals like structures. These are in hygroscopic condition. Hygroscopic condition means they are absorbed water. During the developed stage of the sporophyte, the elaters are absorbed water, they are enlarged in the size. By the enlargement of all elaters, there are pressure on the Jacquet layer. By this pressure, Jacquet layer is broken. Haploid spores are comes out from the sporophyte or capsule. The haploid spores are developed into 50% of spores develop into male gametophytic thallus and 50% of spores develop into female gametophytic thallus. See here it is, the diploid sporophyte cannot prepare food material. Their own food cannot prepared by the self. The needed food, minerals, water collected from the female gametophytic thallus. So this type of living position is called parasitic position. Marchantia diploid sporophyte completely parasite on the haploid gametophytic thallus. Here it is, we observed the life cycle. The life cycle is alternation of generation in the Marchantia. Alternation of generation means it is haploid spores develop into haploid gametophytic thallus. They are male gametophytic thallus, female gametophytic thallus. On the matured stage, at the matured stage on the female gametophytic thallus, archegoniums are developed. On the male gametophytic thallus, antheridiums are developed. They are produced male gametes and female gametes. The male gametes are motile in condition. They contain flagellas, one haploid nucleus. These are in motile condition. They are easily swim in rainwater to reach archegonium for the fertilization. During the fertilization, mainly chemicals are helped by the attracting of male gametes. This type of fertilization is called chemotoxic fertilization. Then after fertilization, diploid zygote. It will develop into mitotic division, completely develop into diploid sporophyte. The diploid sporophyte contains food, seta, capsule. From the capsule, haploid spores by the meiosis division. See, in Marchantia life cycle, two equal stages are present. One is gametophytic stage is in haploid condition. One is sporophytic stage in diploid condition. Gametophytic stage is independent plant. It's selfly prepared food material by the photosynthesis. And the sporophyte cannot prepare food material. So it is completely parasitic position on the gametophytic thallus, female gametophytic thallus. In each life cycle of bryophyta, like in Marchantia, these two stages are alternate with each other. Gametophyte stage is alternate with sporophyte. Sporophyte stage is alternate with gametophyte. This type of generations are called alternation of generations or alternation of life cycle. It is the complete lesson of Marconicia.